Fucking hell. Good morning guys, I hope you're all doing well. I have just received this package from My.Loque. Let's go for a drive and talk about it. It is hot today. My gosh. I'm gonna open the window a little bit. It is hot. Got my phone, got my keys, got my wallet. So we'll go somewhere a little bit more special, I guess. Well, somewhere different anyway, not just in front of my house. Fellow A class. It's an old lady. She don't know what's going on. Guys, there's police who better behave. You know what I'm saying? It is honestly so hot today. It is 23.5 degrees in the car and I am absolutely boiling. Been raining for the past couple of days, so I guess it's nice to have a little bit of a change, actually enjoy the summer a little bit. It is slappy. Tunnel! Well, that was a bit disappointing. We'll go again. Oh jeez. It looks proper busy up in this place. Should be alright to be fair. We've got a little bit of parking here at the end, we'll just park up there. Right, before I start off opening this package from My.Loque, I just wanted to say thank you so much, My.Loque. Thank you so much for sending this out for me. So yeah, I guess we'll open this up, see what we got. Oh baby, so it's in the packaging as well. Oh, look at this snazzy key pouch. Even got the carbon fiber effects. Jeez. So it's got like a weaved carbon fiber effect with red stitching. Look at that, matching with the car as well. Jeez. And obviously it's got My.Loque stuff on there. So just a little bit about My.Loque. They're a little business selling some sort of car security stuff. They've got one of these key pouches. They've got a steering wheel lock that has got a fingerprint on it, sort of a fingerprint lock on it. So I think that's pretty cool. Go check out their Instagram at My.Loque or My.Loque. I don't even know how to say it. They will also have the link to the website as well at myloque.com, www.myloque.com. So if you go on their site, their mission says they aim to provide, the main aim is to provide the community with opportunities to minimize any risk to theft or criminality. Stop all of these criminalities, boy. So yeah, let's get to opening and have a look at and checking these products out. Jeez, look at that carbon fiber effect, bro. So it's a Faraday pouch, and it's got a keychain to hang the key, and it's got another keychain to hang the key pouch. So double security. These guys don't mess around with security, you know. 2 chains, that's not going to come off when you're hanging that. The quality of this is so nice. Look at that, the carbon fiber effect, bro. That is so nice. Just look at that. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Not a lot really. It's got like sort of an aluminium effect inside. So basically, yeah, it's a Faraday pouch, and what it's meant to do is block all the signals. So it can block Wi-Fi, it can block any cellular signals, it can block GPS, block Bluetooth, block RFID, and block all your exes. If you don't want your exes messaging you, put your phone in there, lock it up, throw it in the bin. So you're meant to put your key in there when you're at home, when you're chilling, to give you a little bit of safety. And what it'll do is that it'll block the signals coming out of the key, so people cannot get in your car. Because if you look on videos online, there's videos of people coming up to the door and so relay that signal to your car, and then open your car and also use it to start your car up, and then they'll just drive off with your car. So this is what it's meant to protect, is that it will block signals coming out of your key, so nobody can steal your prized possession. So yeah, so I've explained a little bit what it does. There's not really a lot to it. It's a Faraday pouch, it blocks the signals. The design's pretty slick too. It's nice and soft inside, so it's not going to scratch your key. So I guess we better move on to checking these out really. How good is it really? So My.Loque, if this shit doesn't work, it's all gonna come out. So yeah, we'll better test these out. So the key is out of the pouch. We'll lock the car up, and we'll put the key in the pouch. See if that works. So that's in the pouch. So that's it guys, the key is in the pouch. I'm gonna try and open the car. No, that's not gonna open. So I'll take the key out of the pouch. Right next to the pouch. Just make sure I don't scratch my car. There you go. And it just opened. So it does work. That's good. So My.Loque, your product works. So that's pretty cool actually. So the key was just right next to the car, but it was inside the pouch and the car wouldn't open. So I'm assuming it'll be the same as well for starting the car up. So the key is out of the pouch. Start it up. So starts fine because it is out of the pouch. It's a bit difficult with one hand, so I'm not even gonna close the pouch. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Key in the pouch, pouch is open. Start the car up. Look, place key in the marked space, so you can't even find the key. So that's working, so that's really good. So if you've got a keyless entry, or you can start your car up without having to put your key in the ignition, do invest in one of these, guys. Invest in one of these is going to make a massive difference when you're just chilling, just a bit of peace of mind as well when you're at home, when you're relaxing. So invest one of these. If you go to My.Loque's website, this is only for $9.99, guys. $9.99. That is absolutely nothing for the peace of mind that you're getting. So yeah, go ahead to the website, check their repertoire out. They have a lot of security stuff on there at very affordable prices. Invest yourself in one of these, even just these. It makes a massive difference. And before I finish the video, thank you so much, My.Loque, for sending these out to me. I appreciate you. And also thank you for everyone that is watching, has liked and subscribed. Thank you very much for contributing to the growth of my channel. And yeah, I appreciate all of your support. I'd like to take this channel to, you know, great heights, and I'm gonna invest in this channel, more content for you guys. So yeah, I appreciate all your likes, all your comments, and please, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.